In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Jotform tables. This guide will show you how to efficiently manage your data using Jotform's versatile platform. Let's dive right in. First, head over to jotform.com. Here, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free, which only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Table section found on your workspace. This area is the hub for all your table-related activities, providing a user-friendly interface to manage your data efficiently. Next, you'll need to create a new table. This is where your imported data will reside. Just click on the Create Table button, which should be visible on the page. Once your table is set up, you'll want to find the option to import data. This feature allows you to bring in existing data from a CSV or Excel file, making it incredibly convenient to transition your current data management processes to Jotform. When you select Import Data, a prompt will appear asking you to upload your file. At this point, it's important to prepare your data beforehand. Ensure that your Excel or CSV file is properly formatted and free of errors. Uploading is straightforward. Simply click the Upload button, locate your file on your computer, and select it for import. Now you'll want to take note of a couple of settings to optimize your data import. First, make sure to activate the option Set the first row as column headers. This tells Jotform to treat the first row of your file as the labels for each column in the table. This step is crucial for maintaining the clarity and organization of your data once it's imported. Additionally, you have the option to change the column types if necessary. For instance, ensure that date columns are recognized as such and text fields are categorized correctly. This adjustment will allow you to make the most of Jotform's data management capabilities. Once you're satisfied with the settings, move on and click the final Import Data button. This action will process the file and transfer your data into the Jotform table. The import process is usually quite quick, but it can vary depending on the size of your file. And there you have it, your data is now seamlessly integrated into Jotform tables. You can now begin to manage, edit, and utilize your imported data with Jotform's powerful tools. Whether you are organizing a project, tracking orders, or analyzing information, Jotform tables provides a robust environment to work efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Make sure to explore all of the features Jotform offers within their tables and see how they can fit into your productivity toolkit. Thank you for watching and happy data managing.